Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet backpack designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet backpack is a handmade bag crafted using crochet techniques, typically made from yarn or thread. It features a strap for carrying on the back, similar to a traditional backpack, but with a unique handmade touch. Crochet backpacks can be designed in various styles, from boho and vintage to modern and minimalist, depending on the yarn type, stitch patterns, and embellishments used. Here are some tips for making a crochet backpack that is both stylish and durable. First, choose the right yarn. Use a sturdy yarn like cotton, jute, or polyester to ensure the backpack holds its shape. Avoid very soft or stretchy yarns, as they may cause the backpack to sag. If you want a more rustic look, try raffia yarn for a oven-like texture. Select a double stitch, tighter stitches like single crochet, half double crochet, or waistcoat stitch. Create a stronger, more structured fabric. Avoid loose link stitches unless you plan to add a fabric lining. Reinforce the strength. Add a fabric lining inside to prevent stretching and protect the contents. Use a sturdy bottom base, such as a crocheted double layer base, plastic canvas, or leather insert. Reinforce stress points like where the straps attach with extra stitches or fabric backing. Functional closures use drawstring with a toggle or a zipper closer for security. Magnetic snaps or button closures can add a decorative touch while being functional. Comfortable and adjustable straps. Crochet wide, flat strap for comfort, or use leather fabric strap for durability. Adjustable straps with buckles or sliders add versatility and a better fit. Decorative elements. Granny scarves for a vintage touch. Use tassels, beads, or appliques for a boho look. Cross tucks in collars or stripes for a fun, modern style. Blocking and finishing. Block the finished backpack to help it keep its shape. Weave in all ends securely to prevent unrelieving. Let's choosing the right yarn and hook. Use a sturdy yarn like cotton, jute, mimicry cord, or t-shirt yarn for durability. If using acrylic yarn, hold two strands together for extra strength. Choose a hook size slightly smaller than recommended for the ear to create a tight frame fabric. Create a strong base. Add flat oval, rectangle, or circular base works best. Double layer the base for extra strength, or use plastic canvas inside. If making a granny scar backpack, add a reinforced bottom panel. Stitches for structure: single crochet, half double crochet, or thermal stitch make a sturdy texture. Waistcoat stitch looks like knit and adds a tight, dense structure. Avoid overly open stitches unless lining the bag. Reinforcing stress points. Stuff should be securely attached with reinforced stitching or T-ring for strength. If making crochet straps, double the thickness or crochet around the cord for support. Use metal or wooden rings to attach a strap securely. Secure closure options. Zipper closure for security and stability. Drawstring with a toggle or a boho or vintage look. Use button flap or magnetic snap for a simple, stylish closure. Adding a lining, optional but recommended. A fabric lining prevents stretching and protects the contents. Canvas or cotton fabric are best. Sew the lining separately before attaching it to the bag. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!